There's the master switch. Doo-doo, 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 doo-doo. We're gonna take that out. You can technically get it from here, but this is so smooth and nice. You don't want to scratch this. So let's get the door panel off and show you how to pop it in from the inside, so you don't ruin that door panel. So, get our handy dandy seat. I am part doctor, yes. And we're gonna take out the lonely screw that we found out that holds this door panel in place. Now, we have a little indent right here. You can get your fingers up in there and get the starting. And you really got to pull. This thing's brand spanking new at the time, 24, and hey, COVID's still around. So what you're doing is pulling so hard that you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, maybe 14 clips, and we got to get them out because that one broke right there. That's okay, we got 42 other ones. So let's get this handle out by squeezing this guy, pulling this puppy out. Now, let's feel and unclip this guy. Okay. Now with everything about to fall over, let's get it out, and we have to turn this puppy upside down. But since your door might be completely jam-packed with a bunch of stuff, we're gonna feel and see if we can get this puppy out. There's a squeeze handle that I saw on the other side, but it might be easier to pull this puppy. Let's turn it upside down. So with a lot of patience and some fingers that are hurting now, I got it from inside, and this one I used over here. It's so tight, so this pops out. This one, this puppy, I'm telling you, both of them popped out this one, and that helped a lot because there's more than just one. Now let's get this guy. You see? Now, put it in a safe place. This puppy, this one, and this one were the most annoying. Everything else sort of helps snap into place. Now, what I was trying to do and did not work is separate this puppy while it was in there. So take these out, these, and pop this out. But I bet you he's going to get the whole panel. He's going to pop it right back in. But let me see if he can actually do that, because when it's sitting in the door, it's like this. So I've done this before. You push this down, push that down with a bunch of tools, and this separates from this actual panel, which would have been so much easier, but this one just did not want to cooperate. It was a bad angle, because if you look at it from this side, the way I had it laying down, you see, it sits this way. So try and pop this out. It's so tight in here that, listen, if it comes out for you, great. All you gotta do is pop these little centers out, and this switch separates from this actual panel. But it just was not playing nicely, so I got this whole thing out in one piece. So I guess this would be the replacement part, whatever that is. I don't see that actually being a part number, but it probably is. So we'll do some homework online. I doubt you can get this thing yet. This is a 24 Santa Fe. So either way, we'll put this door panel back, and you're gonna like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe. But all you gotta do is just pop it right back in. And my shoulder really hurts. Thanks for watching.